A nation's culture resides in the hearts and the souls of the people. Here we take a look upon the cultural enigma that is India and take a trip from Delhi to Sikkim. Delhi, or as it is known, Dildar Delhi, is the capital of India, filled with legendary and glorious history, which reflects in the symphony of the food of the city. And if there happens to be anything the Delhiites adore more than their home city, it is the magnanimous galore of delicacies. A favorite of Mughal emperors, the biryani has stood the test of time and is today enjoyed all over India and owns a special place in the hearts of Delhiites. Next up, we have kebabs. Whoever thought grilled chunks of meat or fish marinated in aromatic Indian spices could give you joy should think again. For being the perfect start to a healthy morning in most Delhi households, parathas are definitely on the top of the list when it comes to favorite foods in Delhi. Sikkim is a small state whose beauty is divine and serenity unparalleled, and it is this minimalistic lifestyle of meditation that is reflected in the delicacies of the state. First up, we have the sail roti, a sweet symphony of cardamom and banana. This dish remains a classic. This list would be incomplete without the renowned dish which stands to be a fan favorite even for Delhiites, the beloved momos. Last but not the least, we have thupka, which is a kind of noodle soup of Tibetan origins. Thupka is something very healthy and tasty at the same time. Cooking traditional Sikkimese food might appear daunting, but with determination in the head and love for food in heart, it sure is possible. Here are some beloved dish recipes that would make your mouth water and heart swoon. The culture of the state can be mimicked in the streets of the city. Here we take a look at the wonderful and renowned markets of Sikkim and Delhi. If you want to go for shopping in Sikkim, then this is where you should come. New Market is considered to be one of the most popular shopping places in Sikkim, Gangtok. Located at the furthermost edge of Tibet Road, Directorate of Handicrafts and Handloom is famous for its distinct and large sales emporium. This is one of the best shopping destinations in Sikkim. The main commercial areas of Sikkim, MG Road is located at MG Mall. It is an open mall in the heart of the city and acts as a hotspot for all major shops and restaurants. Located in East Sikkim, Lal Bazaar is fondly known as the soul of Sikkim's kitchen. It is the best place to shop for organic farm products. A mix of branded stores and street stall make up the market at Karolbagh. These shops sell a variety of products ranging from jewelry to clothes to spices, electronics and much more. This market has some of the most popular stores in Delhi. The Khan Market is also known for its street food options, and don't forget to check out the underground bookstore at Khan Market. The epitome of bargaining and cracking a good deal, Lajpat Rai Market is a wholesale market that is frequented by many small-scale retailers to buy gadgets in bulk. And that's about it, folks. Thank you for your patience and your time.